think the data has been constructive, not just in China, but actually even in the US, to the point that even though US data is surprising on the upside, treasuries are not selling off. If anything, treasuries are rallying. But I think in China, people are still kind of forward-looking, concerned about the pace of policy easing. And even though things are looking good in the first quarter, there's expectation that sequential growth momentum is going to peak around second quarter. And then we're already seeing some signs of tightening on the credit and liquidity front, and that will have a lagged impact in terms of sequential slowdown in the second half of this year. And then, of course, the other thing that continues to be a concern for the market is, we're still having resurgent virus in pockets of Asia, especially India, which is a very large market, but we're seeing it also in pockets of Southeast Asia. So I think that the travel opening, although we've just started the Trans-Tasman bubble today, I think there's a lot of worries that these resurgent virus in other pockets will delay border reopening in other places as well.
So you're saying that the China momentum might be losing steam, might be waning into the second quarter, and the second half of this year could be challenging for growth? If so, how much, and how does that work in with your overall estimates on how growth would look like for 2021?
Look, our forecast for China growth this year is still 8.8%. So it's all about, you cannot sequentially expand and accelerate every quarter. I think the expectation is, because we've already seen credit conditions in China tightening since the end of last year. Again, it's not a very abrupt tightening. It's nowhere even as abrupt as it was, back in the 2017 kind of tightening, 2017, 2018 tightening, let alone 2015, 2016. But directionally, it is tightening. And so there's, those things kind of work with a lag. So expectation is, we will maybe peak, maybe we will start seeing a more meaningful sequential slowdown in the second half of this year. But again, you're still ending at 8.8%. So it's still about the direction that's raising concerns, rather than I'm not expecting a destabilizing slowdown in China.